Hey everyone! Ever wondered how AI models like ChatGPT or GPT-4 master specialized knowledge in fields like finance, medicine, or law? The answer lies in high-quality training data, but creating that data is notoriously difficult. Unstructured documents, messy formatting, and inconsistent content make manual curation a nightmare. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary tool called Easy Dataset that's redefining how we transform raw, chaotic documents into clean, actionable training data. Let's break down how it works, why it matters, and how it's shaping the future of AI. The core challenge in AI training is this: models excel at general tasks but struggle with domain-specific expertise. Imagine a chef who can cook any dish but can't perfect a signature recipe. To bridge this gap, we need to fine-tune models with specialized data. But where do you get that data? Manually curating it is time-consuming, error-prone, and often impossible with documents full of tables, images, or irregular layouts. Enter Easy Dataset, a framework that automates this process. Let's walk through its three-stage workflow. First, document preprocessing. Whether it's a PDF report, a scanned image, or a Word doc, Easy Dataset uses advanced algorithms to extract and clean text. For example, it can convert a cluttered financial report into plain text while preserving critical elements like tables, charts, and footnotes. This step alone saves hours of manual labor. Next, text chunking. Imagine taking a 100-page legal document and splitting it into smaller, semantically coherent sections. Easy Dataset does this intelligently, ensuring each chunk retains context. This is crucial because AI models learn best when exposed to meaningful, structured information, not just random sentences. But here's where it gets really powerful: AI-powered question generation. The tool doesn't just extract text, it creates diverse question-answer pairs from each chunk. Think of it as a teacher generating practice questions from a textbook. However, instead of a single set of questions, it generates multiple variations, forcing the AI to learn different ways to approach the same topic. For instance, a chunk about tax law might spawn questions like, what are the key changes in ASU 2023-09? Or, how do these changes affect corporate disclosures? And here's the kicker: no coding required. Easy Dataset offers a visual interface where users can tweak parameters, review outputs, and manually correct errors. It's like having a personal assistant handle the grunt work while you focus on refining the dataset. The results? Stunning. In financial data tests, models trained with Easy Dataset outperformed traditional methods by 20% in domain-specific tasks, while retaining 95% of their general knowledge. Its open-source nature and 9,000-plus GitHub stars show it's already a game-changer for researchers and developers. But Easy Dataset is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's zoom out. Modern AI training relies on tools like Data Juicer, which optimizes datasets by filtering noise and prioritizing high-quality examples. Then there's synthetic data generation, where tools like Curator and Kiln create realistic but artificial data to supplement real-world content. And let's not forget LLM-as-a-Judge, where AI models evaluate their own outputs to improve accuracy. Here's how it all ties together. Training an LLM involves feeding it vast amounts of text, but not all data is equal. Data Juicer acts like a high-tech sieve, removing irrelevant or redundant content. Meanwhile, synthetic data allows models to practice on edge cases they might never encounter in real-world datasets. For example, a model trained on synthetic legal documents could learn to interpret obscure statutes or rare regulatory changes. Then there's fine-tuning, the process of adjusting a pre-trained model for a specific task. This is where tools like Easy Dataset shine. By providing domain-specific data, researchers can tune a model's parameters, much like adjusting a guitar's strings to hit the right notes. Techniques like chain of thought prompting further enhance this by teaching models to break down complex problems step by step. So what's the takeaway? Tools like Easy Dataset aren't just about making more data, they're about making smarter data. By combining automation, customization, and precision, they're enabling AI to tackle real-world challenges in healthcare, law, and beyond. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just curious about AI, this shows how creativity and technology can collide to solve problems we never thought possible. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into AI training techniques, hit subscribe. And if you've used tools like Easy Dataset or Data Juicer, let me know in the comments. What's your go-to data prep trick? Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.